To access the settings, we click our username in Settings, or we use the shortcut Command B. You'll see the settings split into sections. The first section is about the spot part, so by SL, where we'll have all the preset values we want to add. When we open the quick panel, these values will already be filled in. We can, of course, pick the reference blockchain, and based on the selected blockchain, we'll tweak the settings for that specific blockchain. We can change all the data by clicking toggle on and off. Then there's the token blacklist section where we can add a blacklist of tokens that won't be bought. This applies to the selected blockchain. So to apply it on another blockchain, we'll select another blockchain. The tracker section includes the settings for the Twitter tracker. Here too, you'll find toggles and amounts for the preset, handy when you want to do a quick buy right from the Twitter tracker. Then we have a whole section of presets for buy and sell, and presets for copy trading, where we can scroll and also find some drop downs. To get a sense of all these settings, we suggest reading our docs that explain in detail all these settings. Same goes for AFK presets with the drop downs. In the Twitter presets, we also have tooltips that help us understand faster the different settings, the different values we can enter, or the actions that are performed. Lastly, we have Sniper preset. When there are unsaved changes, we'll see a blue dot. Once you've made your changes, just click Save to save them.